Hello friends, today I'm gonna share you one more indicator strategy. Go to the tradingview.com. In the indicator section search NNF baseline. Add one more indicator, that is range filter. Fab losses. Now both the indicators are applied. In the settings of range filter, make the from length 5 and the multiplier 2. In the settings of NNF indicator, in the styles unmark all other things apart from slow MA, glow and the labels on price and values in the straight line. Trading strategy is simple and works good in 5 and 15 minutes time frame. When the range filter indicator gives you the buy signal, along with that the price crosses above the NNF indicator or the line turns into green, buy the call. When the range filter indicator gives you the sell signal, along with that the price crosses below the NNF indicator or the line turns into red, sell the call. Before applying it to the real money trading, do backtest the indicator, do paper trade, minimize the stop loss and gain more profits. At the last, don't forget to follow the page.